It's a Friday night at Fenway, and the Red Sox seek their 5th win in a row after a sweep in Kansas City. They'll start an 8-game homestand against the second-place Tampa Bay Rays coming up next. Austin Meadows is in left, Tommy Pham the DH, Brandon Lau the second baseman, Avisail Garcia in right. Red Sox starter presented by New England Audi dealers. Rick Porcello 4-5, a 4.76 ERA. He's 14-10 lifetime against Tampa Bay. He's had some very good starts in there. And a high pop into left field, and Benintendi's underneath for the first out of the ball game.
He has no track record either.
1-2, and a bounder up the middle. Bogaerts gets there behind the bag. 2 up, 2 down. High fly left field. Benintendi backing up to the track all the way to the wall, leaping up. He can't get it. Off the 10 to second base. Lau, he'll stop there with a double. Bounder on the infield for Brock Holt. And Rick Porcello, despite the double, gets out of the inning. No harm done. Benintendi next, then Devers, Bogaerts, and Mitch Moreland returning to the lineup. JD Martinez out with those back spasms. Nunez has caught fires, the DH tonight. Pitching on a staff that leads the majors with a 273 earned run average. Mookie 2 for 7 off him. Hard hit, but a 1 bouncer to Adames. And 1 away.
Knocked around by them.
That's no lie. Shot out to right. Hit well. Garcia is there to make the play. Sinking line drive, but hit on the button. 9 homers. Time for the club lead with 40 runs batted in, and he bunts. Chirinos will glove that and fire on to get him. Try to surprise him a bit. 1-2-3 go the Red Sox.
Back to back, a little change up here.
High fly ball. That's it deep to right center field. That's going way back there and into the bullpen. He hit it out. Choi with his 6th home run of the season. Came in a 3-2 pitch.
Yeah, 3-2 change up right there, and he loses it. Kind of missed away a couple of pitches, and then this changeup. You'll want to stick this in your back.
I think he's going to be seating patrons at a nearby restaurant after the ball game. Little roller here once again. It'll be Xander Bogaerts to zip on to first base. 2 down. Toward right, coming on. Plenty of time for Mookie Betts. That'll do it. But Choi with the home run puts him up 1-0. Sox are hitting almost 500 as pinch batters. High bounder right at Diaz. 1 man gone in Boston. To the right side. Lau will scoop and fire. 1-2-3.
200, and 70% of all people will do just that. But there are 12 routes.
A nice play here, a bit to his left by Brock Holt. 1 man out in the inning.
From as little as 25 miles to 1980.
That is staggering.
Thank you.
Just
pretty
staggering
good
success. Cut and miss for strike 3. Well, you're the best. Thanks so much.
What an inning, guys.
Best of luck.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
In there, strike 3, 95 miles an hour. He pinned it in there to strike him out.
Now, New York, he got 3 hits.
Again into that shift, and Lau, a busy guy early on. That's another fast inning.
Fastball away. Paint.
Line toward the alley. Bradley on the move. Won't get to it. He'll have to cut it on 1 hop. It'll be a long single.
It's a pretty good pitch down and away.
Your favorite things basket.
I guess, like
Garcia deep short, lunging. Bogaerts throws into second base, but not going to be in time. So the first 2 men will reach here in the 4th inning. That gets right by Leon all the way to the backstop. That'll advance the runners. Lau to third, Garcia to second.
Yeah, back-to-back pitch fastballs that he yanked.
And the 3-1. And a high pop into left field. Closing on it, Benintendi makes the catch. Lau will bluff. He's heading back into third. Fine throw.
Yeah, I was going to say medium deep left field. I'd be surprised if he tries to challenge it.
0-2. And he got him. That was out of the strike zone. Got him to chase. With a couple of huge outs by Rick Porcello here. 3-2 coming. Line drive and a base hit past the diving Moreland. That'll bring in Lau. Here comes Garcia. He will score as well. Kiermaier wins that fight to make it 3-0 Tampa Bay.
Boy, he got burnt. He got burnt big time on a slider.
Pitch count now at 66. And a wave and a miss. He gets that man, but 2-run score, 3-0. To follow here in the bottom of the 4th. And a routine ground ball to Adames. He'll dig it out and get him.
Looked like a very hittable pitch, but it fooled him.
Chased that one into the dirt. Scooped up by Zunino. Red Sox go 1-2-3 for the 4th inning in a row. And a 1-2. He's hitless again. He struck out looking. One away. Yeah.
As they jump out of here.
He's not alone.
A little golf ball in there.
Hot shot. Backing into right. Moreland. Tough play and got him. He makes those tough ones look very smooth.
Well, he figured he wanted to get a good hop, so he just backed up to get a good hop. Luckily, Porcello got over there, and you got to get on your horse as a pitcher.
Xander Bogaerts 0 for 1, a grounded to third. Gently hit. He can't reach it. Lau does. Scoops it out of the glove. Makes a nice play to get him. One away. And he grounds it into the shift. Lau has been really busy. Almost threw that one over the top of Choi, but got it there for the second out.
He broke up the no-hitter in the 9th inning. It was a 3-0 game, I recall.
Popped up. Shortstop there. Adames into shallow left. And for the 5th consecutive inning, the Red Sox are retired in order. And socked into left center field for a base hit. Garcia on for the 2nd time. This one leading off the 6th inning.
Boy, he got on top of that fastball, high fastball, rifled it in.
That one ripped into right center field. A base hit toward the alley. Bradley cuts it. Down to third is Garcia. Choi's hit the ball very hard a couple of times tonight, and they're on at first and third with nobody out. Andy Diaz here going after first pitch, loops it into right field. Mookie coming on, he'll make the play. Runner's going to hold at third as the toss comes in, cut by Moreland. Roped a 2-run single. And he goes the other way for another one. That'll chase in Garcia. He is in to score. That's going to make it 4-0 Tampa Bay.
Yeah, fastball right there, and he just worked on it.
And a ground ball right to Moreland, and he boots that. Here's a play at first base, and got him.
Whoa.
Runners move up to second and third. Red Sox get very fortunate.
You aren't kidding. You get a little high five there to Holt to be in the right place at the right time, but Porcello.
And a high fly ball into center field, and backing up Jackie Bradley to get under, and he makes the catch. They get another run. 4-0 Rays. 0-1. And a ground ball through for a base hit. Brock Holt up to second and putting on the brakes there. So back-to-back at bats. The Red Sox have their first base runner and their first hit off Chirinos.
Yeah, it didn't hit it very hard, but there's nobody at short.
2-1. Little pop up into right field. And Garcia moving in a bit. He's got it. Runners will stay put. One away. And he walked him. Bases loaded for Benintendi. Plenty of speed on the bases.
You don't want to go 3-2. It's time to party here.
Oh, struck him out.
Boy, he made a pitch.
Benintendi fans, and there are 2 away. Stop. Third baseman. Look at him way down that line. And a swing and a miss. He struck him out. Look at Chirinos jumping up airborne in celebration, and the Red Sox leave him loaded on the mound as we check the stats presented by TD Bank. Right now, top hitter in the American League. Because of shots like that off the glove of Chavis, who tried to make a diving stab. And Meadows is on with a base hit.
Boy, he went to work on that fastball down.
Had a difficult time getting to 5 games over 500. Did he check? No, he did not. That's a swing and a miss. Rung up by Corey Blazer at first base, and a strikeout. Also scored a run. Runner goes. Here's the toss down second base. The tag, and got him. Xander Bogaerts got the tag. Looks like on the helmet.
Yeah, the throw was up the line and
1% caught stealing. So he's added to that. Tagged into center on a line drive. Jackie Bradley is there. And the side is retired. A 2-1. Up the middle, base hit. Second hit tonight for Boston. This one leads off the 7th inning. On the infield, little looper and caught on the run. Nice play there by the second baseman. Lau has been everywhere.
Boy, that would have been a thing there if it would have.
Swing and a miss, and that one disappeared. Another strikeout for him. 2 gone.
That's his money pitch all.
Ground ball. He'll spear that. Chirinos with the play to end the inning. Here comes the major league debut of the right-hander Mike Schwerin. Has been warming up forever out there. Selected the roster from the Paw Sox last Thursday. 305. It's a high pop on the right side. Chavis there, and now Brock Holt. And Brock Holt has to make the play, and he goes down. 2-2. Got him. 93 miles an hour to strike him out. So G-Man Choi becomes his first strikeout.
They didn't make a big deal out of that then. Like
lined up the middle. Oh, nice play by Brock Holt. Skidding to a halt in center field to steal a base hit. Chevy Silverado. Swing and a miss, struck him out. 1 man away in the 8th. And a high twisting fly ball into right center field, but Heredia moving over. And yet again, Red Sox are retired. 1-2-3. That's a little glimpse into how tight knit they are. That one slammed into right field. Backing up Betts, kissed that one goodbye into the bullpen. Kiermaier's had himself a night. That's his 4th RBI this evening and makes it 5-0.
Man, Kiermaier, what a night. Shows you the kind of talent that he has offensively. Last year.
In there for strike 3. 1-2 to Zunino, who is 0 for his last 20. Make that 0 for 21. Red Sox came in with a 4-game winning streak, swinging the bats well. Cut on and missed, strike 3. So he strikes out 3 in a row. 5-0 Tampa Bay.
Pagan having a real big year for them. You see the ERA, almost nothing. The strikeouts.
Set the Red Sox down 1-2-3. That one headed toward the alley. That's going to drop onto the grass in the warning track up against the wall. Benintendi for second base, and he's got a walk-in double. Good start for the Red Sox here in the 9th inning.
Yeah, you finally get Chirinos out of this game, and somebody hits the ball hard right away.
And Pagan's 0-2. He struck him out right past him in 97.
Tough night here for Devers.
0-2 again. High fly ball into left field. That's deep. Backing up Meadows at the wall. Looking up. It is off the wall. Benintendi is in to score. Bogaerts romping into second. He's got himself a double, and the Red Sox are on the scoreboard at last.
Well, I thought this ball was out of the ballpark.
Should say in that quad. He lifts a high fly ball into left field. Center fielder over there. Left fielder makes the catch. Meadows coming in to make the grab, and Bogaerts has to stay put at second, so 2 down. Bounding ball to third. Diaz will gather that and get him at first base, and that's the ball game. Chirinos was outstanding. Tampa Bay wins at 5-1. We'll have more in a moment.